cleansing your energy from negative thoughts, fatigue and stress. Meditation Day 7. Starting a meditation practice. Please sit comfortably. Explode space. Turn off all communication devices. Let yourself be alone with yourself. Let all the thoughts and worries of today disappear. Imagine the warm rays of the sun warming your entire body, from the heels of your feet to the crown of your head. All your attention is directed to your body and to your sensations in the body. Now take a deep breath in and out. Close your eyes and follow me. Say out loud, I am here and now. And now direct your attention to the gap, the area between the legs. Take a deep breath and feel the energy of the earth filling your crotch, your pelvis, genitals, as heat begins to spread through your legs, knees, heels, pelvis. Now, feel the warmth in your belly. And now, feel how the solar plexus area is filled with warmth. Moving up the body. Now we are in the heart area. Our heart is filling with warmth. Now you are beginning to feel your throat filling with warmth. And now your forehead and the whole head are filled with warmth. Feel the warm energy of the earth moving up your spine like a straight line from the bottom to the top. Every organ of your body is saturated with the Earth's energy. All 7 chakras will be filled with warmth. Feel the heat. Continue. My dear and beloved friend, our life is a great gift to the universe, and our body is our temple. Take care and heal your body, your mind, your soul through meditation practices. The planet Earth and the universe love you. Feel it.